pretty slim chance that you'd get 3 wrong in a row, right? Okay, now this is a hard question, and there's an easy way and a hard way to answer this question. Find the probability that at least one of the 3 surgeries is successful. At least one. What does that mean? At least one. One or more, right? You could have the first one successful. So here's how it could be. All right, I'm going to say successful. How about good for successful, okay? So you could have 3 that succeeded. You could have the first 2 succeed, the second one go bad. Don't write this down. The first one succeed, the second one go bad. You see what I'm talking about? Bad, good, good. We could even have a good and a bad, bad. We could have a bad, good, bad. We could have a bad, bad, good. In fact, the only thing that can't happen is it can't be bad, 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 right? Everything else is okay. So what we would have to do is we'd have to figure out the probability of all 7 of those things and then add all of those probabilities together. And that is just horrible, okay? Nobody wants to do that. Or we could do the complement. Do you remember what a complement is? You figure out the opposite probabilities. So do you see how the only thing it can't be is this? So we're going to take 100% and we're going to minus the probability of all of them going wrong. And we already figured that out. Remember? We already figured out the bad, bad, bad. So 0.000125. So that's 1 minus 0.30125 is 0.999875. That's the probability of at least one of them going right. I'm going to explain it one more time because it is confusing. This is the probability of all 3 of them failing, right? Bad, bad, bad. And if we want at least one of them to go right, this is the probability of at least one of them going right. Could be all 3 of them, could be 2 of them, could be 1 of them in any order. There's 7 possibilities there, and instead of figuring out all of those, instead I just subtracted the one that it can't be. Okay, so your homework, and we're going to make this due, what did I say, Friday? So this is due Friday. Tomorrow we're going to have a work day in here where I will give you a chance with your partner to work on this and to make sure that your deal or no deal stuff is ready. On Thursday we're going to play deal or no deal, and then on Friday this will be due. That sound reasonable and fair?
Yes.
Your homework is these 2 questions and those questions in the book, both. So make sure you include these. All right, you can work on cutting out those things for right now, or you can work on it tomorrow and just return the scissors right now. Triton, let's put that tattoo on. How'd I do? Am I doing an okay job? By the way, once you get done with this chapter, you will have hit every single thing that the ACT